Good Saturday morning slash afternoon, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Joseph Peterson, and let's start talking about the weather for today. As you can see, we have rain pushing into California and Oregon right now, and that kind of goes down towards Las Vegas and Arizona. And this is what it kind of looks like. We have a mudslide report as well inside of California from all of this heavy precipitation. We're getting mudslides from this. Up inside of the Rockies, we have ice pretty much throughout all of the Rockies. And then we have snow up in Canada and as well as ice. Now, moving on to the Northeast in the Great Lakes, we have snow inside of the Great Lakes. And inside the Northeast, scattered snow showers are happening right now. Now, talking about our next thing, here we go. Here is our temperatures for right now. 35 inside of Columbia, 35 inside of Sumter, 41 in Charleston, 37 in Myrtle Beach, 29 in Greenville, 30 in Rock Hill, and 35 in Augusta. So that is that. And here is our current cloud cover, which we switched to it. We have clear skies, no clouds in the making right now. As you can see, nice clear conditions as we have a nice clearing coming through. But we do have some clouds that may want to drift into the upstate. But that's all we really have to talk about with cloud cover. Now, here's our maximum temperatures 34 inside of Greenville, Spartanburg, 39 at Columbia, 40 at Charleston, 38 at Myrtle Beach, and then 42 at Augusta. Now, looking down to our south, we have 73 near Miami, 57 near Orlando. And looking over to our west, 22 in Huntsville, 29 in Birmingham, 30 inside of Mississippi, 38 inside of Shreveport, 19 and 20 inside of Tennessee. So we have cold temperatures to our west, but not as cold. We don't have quite as cold temperatures as they do. They have freezing cold temperatures right now. Here's our next max wind gust for the next 24 hours. Not really any wind gusts is expected. The only wind gust that we might see is up to like 20 miles an hour, and that is near the Charleston coast and the Myrtle Beach coast, as well as up near Greenville, Spartanburg, as well. Other than that, wind gusts are going to be quite tame. And let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. Here's our 24-hour precipitation. As you can see, no precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. So that is a good thing that a lot of us would like to see, unless if it was snow. If it was snow, then I accept it. But if it's not snow, there's not really a point to any cold rain. Here's our thunderstorm forecast. No thunderstorms are forecasted for the next, really for all of today. So those heavy rain that we're seeing inside of California right now, that's not really thunderstorms. Now, there could be some thunder associated with them. There could be like a couple of rumbles of thunder, but it's not as bad as like a regular thunderstorm itself. So, no thunderstorms are forecasted for today, and it's going to be nice and dry for most of us. And then here's our excessive rainfall outlook. No excessive rainfall is expected for us for all of today. And then that's going to about wrap it up. I mean, there's nothing else to really talk about except for just some snow. So the Northeast, some ice down here, some rain over here in California. But we can talk about the wind chill because that is also another thing that we have to talk about. So as you can see, as I pull this up now, if we go to the max temperature, or sorry, the minimum temperature for tonight, 25 inside of Charleston, 18 inside of Columbia, and 17 Florence, 21 at Myrtle Beach, 15 near the Greenville Spartanburg region, and that's gonna create wind chills down to single digits, especially the more inland you get. So I would not be surprised at all. Again, I warned y'all about this last night. So please make sure you dress with accordingly, especially Sunday morning, because I know a lot of people go out on Sunday morning to go do their own stuff. So yes, that we'll have another video this evening talking about which towns get which temperatures and stuff like that. And that's what tonight's video is going to be on. Just the wind chills for tonight. And thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I will see y'all tonight.